before they run over you. What's up, guys? Today is Monday, and as usual, we're at Penny's class. And today, she really didn't want to do this one exercise they had going on. She wasn't having it, as you can see. But other than that, she had a good old little time, and I enjoyed my little quality time with her. I try my hardest to end my nights as early as possible so that I can spend quality time with Penny, and we managed to do so, and we played nail shop. ¿Tuyo?
Ma.
¿Es tuyo?
Ma.
Ok, ese es tuyo. Okay.
Ma.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Ma.
Five?
Hi.
Okay. Morning started off great. Hit the gym, did shoulders, and now we're at our favorite spot. So, got some work to do because you know there's always work to get done. But today, I'm going to take you guys with me as I go purchase Mickey's material for her project because that's important. And she's going to be making an African dish, which I want to record so you guys can see in case anyone wants to try the recipe. You guys can try it. So, let's get going. Alright guys, look at this. My God, my eyelashes need to get done. I haven't had any time for that. Look how awful this is. Now, I'm bathing Penny while helping Mickey with her project. So, for those of you who ask how I do it, I kill two birds with one stone. Bathing, working, she's working on the other one. Good morning. Already at the coffee shop working. That's how it is. But I'm also having breakfast here, so. Thank you. Look at this vegetarian food that's delicious. So here we have some potatoes and quinoa, avocado, spinach, and black beans with tortillas. Going down. Alright, today's to-do list looks like this. Let's see how much of it I get done. The best part about being able to work from home is that I can go home and check on my baby anytime I want and go for a little walk. So I've managed to get three things crossed off. Now I've got to come get flowers and some balloons. Today is my dad's birthday in heaven, so my sister and I are going to go leave some flowers to celebrate his day. And then something that she and I have always done since my dad passed away, regardless if I was competing or not, I never cared. I was like, this is my dad's birthday, so I don't give a shit. And we have a cupcake, so after that we're going to go have a cupcake to celebrate his day. So come along. All right, y'all. Well, we're almost to the cemetery. Just wanted to tell y'all a little bit about my dad. My dad was just always about family. He was big time family guy. If it was up to him, he probably would have had about 5 kids, but my mom couldn't have that many, so he got 2, and that was about as much as he was gonna get. And I guess that's what I hate the most, is that he didn't get to meet Penelope, because before my dad passed away, I literally was like, it was my first year in college, and my dad just comes up to me and he says, gosh, all my friends' kids are having babies. And I'm like, okay, well, good for them. I didn't know what to tell him. Like, one, I didn't have a boyfriend. I was just, a college student. And two, I mean, I really wasn't thinking about having kids, but yet, you know, he was really ready to be a grandpa. So, you know, I wish that he was here to meet my baby, but I know he's a grandpa in heaven, and I'm almost positive he's around her at all times. But all right, we're about to pull up, so let's go. All right, guys, so had a little time there at my dad's for a little bit. Now we just put up to Sprinkles Cupcakes. All right, so we're almost done with Mickey's project.
Welcome to my bake sale.
And she's trying to...
How cute!
She did them all by herself.
Except you wrote this, and that's it. I made it. I made everything.
She cooked it. I helped her just make the index cards, the recipes, and the tags. Then I helped her just tie them around so it looked cute. But she baked it all by herself with the cream and everything. Check it out. Let me see how... There it is. See that? What's up, everyone? Today is Friday. Usually, I give y'all a glimpse of the entire week. This week, though, I was a little embarrassed to get on camera because I didn't have but 3 eyelashes left on my eyes. But your girl got hooked up yesterday. So now I can get back on camera because that was really embarrassing. And I know somebody was going to clown me about it on this damn internet. So I said, nope, I'm not doing it. Anyway, up to the gym we go. Ready?
On this damn internet.
Because you know they are. They be clowning me. All right, guys. See y'all later. ¿Qué, mami? ¿Ya te levantaste? Oh. All right, guys. So, because I was late tomorrow and we're leaving super early, I know that this is not the best time or best way to spend quality time with my child, but I figure I'd take her with me to run errands. I'm about to come pick up these samples, guys, for something that I will be releasing here soon for her apparel. I can't wait to show you guys. So, yeah, we'll see it first on the blog. All right, guys, so just pick up the samples. Check this out. I am obsessed. Oh, is this not cute? Mande, mommy. Earrings, Mande. There's another pair of earrings. And these are another pair of earrings also. These are all just samples. I will take this back to my little team and then we'll decide which one we'll go with. But how about you comment below and tell me which one do you want to vote on? Chain, lollipop, we'll call these gold, and then clear. So tell me which ones you guys think that I should go with. And later that evening, we had some family time at the park, played around a little bit, and then we went home and made it a movie night to hang out before Mom and Dad head out to Naples, Florida. Good morning, guys. Another early morning flight again. This time we decided to do a 6 a.m., which means we're at the airport at 5 a.m., which means we left our house at 4:30 a.m. The kids are ready to go on spring break. Let me show y'all this chaos here. Oh shit, I'm about to lick the table. Just kidding. Catch that corona.
Snorted.
I ain't doing that. It's when you know you're in Florida because you get the Cuban. You have it, baby.
Take a sip of that Cuban.
The Cuban. Cheers.
This is cafecito.
All right. So we went and had some lunch, came back. Room was still not ready. Finally ready. And y'all know I got to give y'all the tour. So here we go. No se van a perder.
Welcome.
Let me show y'all this.
You didn't finish the master recipe?
Oh, you okay? Go back.
Welcome to the spacious His and hers.
His and hers.
You know.
We sleep in separate beds,
Sometimes
guys.
she sneaks into my bed.
We do not sleep in separate beds. That's a lie. All right, so this is our room this time around. This is called a boutique hotel.
Miami on the boat.
Miami on a budget. I'm not even gonna tell y'all how much this room was. Checking in as to what's been happening out here in Miami. Pretty much yesterday, because we were so tired from traveling, we took a nap, woke up, walked to the Licking to eat. It's all right. I don't know what the hype's all about, I guess, just because celebrities go eat there. I got a grilled fish, salty as hell. It was greasy, so definitely was far from grilled. We just wanted to check it out and see what that was like, and then we just basically walked back to the hotel and got lazy again, dressed up for nothing. But, you know, we got a little dinner in and slept, which we don't get to do very much at home. Now, we came and met my friend who lives out here in Miami right now, and we had a little bit of great chat, had some breakfast, and then we came to 24-Hour Fitness, which is where I am now, before we head out to Naples for the show. So, on to the next stop, which is getting on the road. Till then, let me get this walking in.
Pull it all nice. Dirty or chata, I don't fuck with Sprite.
Texas, the one, the only, Tingo, please.
On the highlights. On me, on my. Hating as ice, did a raid in the heights. On me, on my. Give me some free holes. Much is for the dough.
What's up, guys? We're back from the show, and it's a party at the Red Roof. Say what's up, everyone.
You
Y'all not even like talk. Everybody's like, hey, what's up? There we go.
Mariswole got lobster tails on deck.
Look at that. Captain Brian be hooking it up with this their menu there. It's fire. Anyway, didn't really record much, but we were hanging out, having a good time. I'd give y'all the tour of this hotel, but this is it. So there's no tour. Anyway, we're about to grub, have a little hangout time. So see y'all at the airport.
I could cut your grass while your girl throw that ass. I'm a Mexican. But your girl, I'm a meat, cause my chocolate's on fleek. I'm a Mexican. Put chili on everything.
Finally made it home. But why would you think that I'm not going to do anything? Because guess what we're doing now? We're about to podcast. Anyhow, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I know you're watching. I know you're watching because the analytics tell me. So just subscribe. Why are you just being a lurker? Just subscribe. Just be nice and kind and subscribe. That's all I'm saying, right? I mean, how hard is it? You're already watching my video, homie. So just do it. Anyhow, see you guys next week on my next vlog. If you haven't yet, check out our Patreon, www.chingobling.com, guys, and become a member for some exclusive ass shit that we about to do.
need to have the blink.
Till next time. Oh yeah, the blink may be coming up too. Soon. Stay tuned. Later, guys.
Everything.